Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So it is Good Friday and it's such a beautiful day on this Good Friday. Right? It feels good outside.
Yes.
Sean got on this long sleeve shirt talking about his dry fit.
We're going to the range, man.
I'm telling him he's gonna blow up. He's gonna burn up later. It's gonna get like 80 something degrees. And in Texas, that's really hot.
It's not that hot.
Well, but anyway, so we're headed. Carter really wants to go to after school care, the place that he goes after school. So we're gonna take him there, and then we're going to go to the range. And this should be fun. This is gonna be my first time. This is gonna be my first time going, but yeah. And hopefully later I'm either gonna cook something really, really good, or we're gonna go eat something really, really good.
Either way, we're eating something really, really good today.
Yeah. I know Sean had said something about he wanted oxtail, but we were looking at a recipe on Facebook last night, or was it the night before?
Last night, maybe.
And it looked really good. You're gonna cook it?
I can. Oxtail. My mom makes oxtails.
It's like I want something really good. I want a lot of stuff right now. Like I want a gyro. It's called gyro or gyro? Gyro.
Gyro.
Yeah, I want a gyro, which is like Mediterranean, which is Mediterranean. Never mind. And I also want some wings, some hot wings. I want some ice cream.
You'll get your ice cream.
I want some. Yeah, I'm gonna get some ice cream. But we're gonna take you guys along with us. So yeah.
She brought the tripod for the
to sit down. That tripod is big. Oh, you're supposed to Snapchat me.
I am.
Snapchat.
Oh, you want enough of this?
Okay, so we just left the gun range, or is it called shooting range?
Shooting range, same thing.
Okay, we just left the gun range and it was fun. Glad we got to do this together, but my hand, like, they hurt. And like I was telling him, like the kickback on that thing, it's powerful. I was like scared of it at first. I was.
Yeah, it's a 357, so we're gonna probably get her like a 9mm what I had. She wouldn't have no problem using nothing else. So.
Yeah. But yeah, that was good practice and it was fun.
She did pretty good. All of her, almost all of her shots hit the target.
Yeah, I'll have to show it to y'all when we get home. I'll show y'all my target thingy. It's pretty cool.
That's what I think I enjoyed it more than her, but it was.
Yeah, I think he did enjoy it a little bit more because this is his thing. I mean, I had fun, but he was like all giddy and stuff. But yeah. Well, all right, guys. Talk to you later.